Hey guys, so today my hair looks disgusting right now, but today I'm gonna take you all to my summer slash moisturizing slash hydrating hair care routine. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay you guys, so this is my aloe vera plant right here. I'm just gonna harvest some. They're actually monsters right now. I haven't really touched them that much, but I'm gonna get some of the leaves in here. I think I'm just gonna get one. Alright you guys, so for the DIY that I will be using, I'm gonna use pure sweet almond oil. I'm gonna add in some lavender, lemongrass, shea butter. Both of these are really great for softening the hair. Those essential oils are great for hair growth. They also add a nice scent to the hair mask. And also I will be using avocado on my hair this time because I just really want to make a hydrating and a moisturizing mask on my hair because it's kind of dry. So okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open the avocado. Oh, this is such a pretty one. Okay, so I'm gonna use both of these for my hair. Right, so now I'm gonna add in some shea butter, and I'm gonna get just 1 teaspoon. Put that in there. Add about 7 tablespoons. I'm basically eyeballing it at this point of the almond oil. And then I'm gonna add in 2 drops of lavender oil and then 3 drops of lemongrass. Oh, that's more than enough. That's more than 3, but yeah, y'all get the point. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it. So that's what it looks like after I blended everything together. And then there is my aloe vera gel as well. Here, I'm gonna put this all over my hair, and that, I'm gonna put that specifically on my scalp. So right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the aloe vera gel directly on my scalp. And this is what we usually do. Actually, when I was younger, we would take the aloe vera and then we would put that in the fridge, let it chill for a while, and then use it on the scalp because I do like the cooling sensation that it gives the scalp. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. And one thing that I do like about using aloe vera is that, of course, this is really great for hair growth, but at the same time, it promotes healthy scalp, so that's exactly why. All right, now that's done. I'm gonna go ahead and use this avocado potion that we made, and I'm just gonna put this all over my hair. I'm actually taking advantage of the avocados at this time of the year because I know that they're gonna go out of season very soon. So since they are still here, I am taking advantage of using it on my hair. Okay, so at this point, I'm going to let that nest on my hair for 30 minutes. So while that is brewing on my hair, I would like to make a quick shout out to the sponsor of this video, which is Skillshare. Now, Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for anyone who loves learning and wants to explore their creativity and learn new skills. Skillshare is a great resource for freelancers and entrepreneurs to help learn new skill to support your growing side hustle or launch you into a new career. For me, the one that I took is another productivity class, and it is the Productivity with Evernote. Use One Tool for Everything by Lindsay Holmes. And what I like about this class is that she teaches you how to eliminate distractions and organize your schedule by first identifying all your pain points. And these are tasks that you basically are having a hard time doing. And then create a core hub to where you write down and schedule all the activities that you may have that day. So if you want to simplify your life and be more productive in the most efficient way, you gotta check out this class. So if you guys want to take up classes on Skillshare for free, the first 1,000 people to use the link on my description box or my code beautyklove will get a 1-month free trial of Skillshare. Okay, so now I'm going to wash it out using my shampoo, and I wasn't able to show it here, but I actually shampooed my hair twice because I used shea butter in this mask. So it was important for me to do the cleansing twice. So after that, I didn't use any conditioner because my hair was soft at this point. So I just went ahead and let it air dry. Alright guys, so this is what my hair looks like right now. Actually, I notice whenever I use shea butter on my hair feels like extra straight and relaxed for some reason. And that is actually one of the reasons why I like doing this treatment from time to time, because ever since I've been using, collagen and protein-based treatments, I noticed that if I do too much of that, my hair gets kind of stiff. So I do really like balancing that out by using some intense moisturizing or conditioning and hydrating hair masks, such as this. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to use my Kerotin Nourishing Oil. And this is for the hair and body, but I really like using this for the hair because, first of all, it doesn't weigh down the hair, and at the same time, it really helps condition my ends as well. The thing is that my problem area right now is just at my ends, on my end, so I'm just gonna put that. I use my Mason Pearson brush. This is actually the brush that my boyfriend gave me as a gift, and ever since I've used this, it has just made my hair very soft and shiny. And this brush is actually great to use if you want to distribute the oils on your hair evenly. So, and I like how polished my hair looks like after when I brush it using this brush. So this brush is definitely a must-have. So that is it, you guys. I hope you all like this hair care routine. This hair care routine, by the way, is super simplified, and I actually did not use a lot of products. And also this hair care routine is great as well if you want to retain your length and grow your hair, and at the same time make your hair feel soft and hydrated. So that's it, you guys. I hope you all liked this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you found this content valuable, please do share it to a friend, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!